Predicting the onset of Alzheimer's disease with a simple blood test. Our Karen Borda joins us now with the details that many of us are eager to hear more about.
Now, Tracy, more than 5 million people in the U.S. are currently living with Alzheimer's. British researchers, though, say they have made an important step forward in developing a test that predicts the fatal disease.
Vivian Hill and her sisters lost their mother Mary to Alzheimer's disease.
It's horrible knowing that once you're diagnosed with Alzheimer's, it's a slow, horrible journey.
Now researchers at King's College London say they're developing a blood test that could help families coping with the disease. They found 10 proteins in the blood that could reveal early changes in the brain related to Alzheimer's before a patient has symptoms. Scientists hope their findings will eventually lead to patients being put on drugs early to delay or even stop the disease.
You'd take a drug and in effect you would have the clinical symptoms prevented even if the disease had already started in your brain.
Researchers analyzed blood samples from more than 1,000 people. They were able to predict with 87% accuracy whether people with mild memory and thinking problems would develop Alzheimer's within a year. Many patients with dementia are diagnosed too late. Researchers hope their test will identify the disease sooner.
But if we had that blood test, it would have just reassured us, yes, something was wrong and we can start planning for the future.
Mary suffered with Alzheimer's for 8 years before she died. Her daughter hopes the new findings will save others from the despair her family faced.
And over the past 15 years, more than 100 experimental Alzheimer's drugs have failed in trial.